This is Redfeather from Grep Haxs. In this 0AD video, we will be talking about how to play 0AD on a secondary monitor full screen in Linux Ubuntu Unity. The first thing that must be done is to change your launcher placement for Unity. Notice all my icons show up on my larger monitor. If you do not know how to do this and would like to, please see our video called How to Change Monitor Placement in Linux Ubuntu Unity. Once this has been done, the next step is to take 0AD out of Windows mode if that's where it is. In order to do this, launch 0AD. Once 0AD comes up, scroll to the Tools and Options and click. Once the Tools and Options window appears, see where it says Windows Mode. Click the round button so it removes the gold. Then scroll down to the bottom of the Tools and Options window of 0AD and click Save. And then scroll over and click Close. Once this is done, nothing has changed yet. In order to get the settings to set in, you must restart 0AD. So close 0AD, give it a second, then relaunch. Once you relaunch, you are set to pick your game in 0AD. So put your strategy hat on and prepare to go to war. I hope you have enjoyed this 0AD video and found it helpful in some fashion. And if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber? I mean, after all, it is free. The intro and extro of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu1 from his YouTube channel. Thank you in advance. I am out.